Apart from the title and link tags, another long-term tenant inside the head tags is the meta tag. Actually, all kinds of meta tags. The structure of meta tag is a little complicated. You do not need to memorize it, you can just copy and paste it when you need it, but you should be able to read and understand it. Information carried by the meta tag is for the search engine and the browser, not for website users. There are two types of meta tags: name meta and HTTP-equiv meta, and they both need to work with another attribute: content. We will deal with the name meta first. The name meta is mainly for providing information to a search engine. Based on the value you assign to the name attribute, there are 6 kinds of commonly used name meta: keywords, description, robots, author, copyright, and generator. Keywords and description are used to describe the content of your web page. They are like the name card of your web page. A search engine will take these 2 meta tags into consideration when analyzing your web page. Therefore, for better SEO effects, never underestimate the importance of these 2 important meta tags. The author and copyright meta are for describing the author and ownership of this web page. The generator meta is for describing back-end technology. For example, if your website is powered by Drupal, you can set the content attribute's value to Drupal. This one is optional. You can choose whether or not you want to use it. The robot meta is particularly important. It decides whether a web page is open to the search engine or not. There are 6 settings for the robot meta. Usually, we set it to all for the best SEO effects, but for internal system pages, we set it to none for maximum privacy.